What's up YouTube? Today I'll be making a video on how to fix a radiator leak using stop leak. So first we're just going to go over the engine bay and all that and how to tell if you have a leak in the first place. So you'll have your radiator cap. I'm just going to open mine and you'll see this white material. That's a sign of a leak. So today we'll be using Prestone triple seal protection radiator leak. It's supposed to be made of Kevlar, so it should be like very good stuff. And what you do is you just add these beads and you add the rest of the liquid, and it's supposed to fix any leaks you have in your radiator system because the Kevlar will seal all the holes. So we're just going to open it up. First you want to open up just part way at the top. So rip that open and get so we can just have the little bead part. And once that's done, we'll go back out to the car. Okay, so once we're at the car, you open your radiator cap back up. This is a 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix, by the way. And so we get that open. And just start pouring the little things into it. Just like that. And then next you will pour the liquid in there, and mine started to overflow, so I just went over to the coolant and emptied out the bottle in there. Then you're going to want to start the car up and put the heat on, put the AC on, put the defrost on, your heated seats if you have those, anything in the car that's going to be hot to pull away from the heat in the engine and help your car stay cool while it's fixing that radiator leak so you don't overheat. And you will wait an hour. Now we're going to go back out, check out the car. It's been an hour. So I walk over and check the coolant level, and as you can see, there's now coolant in the tank. None of it's leaking out. The car is running better and it's not overheating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.